What's up, guys? Today we are looking at another IKEA product. This is the Lagkapten full table. This, I think on its own it's called Adil's, but I think they changed the name. So, some packing instructions. This is the 120 centimeter length by I think 60 width, with the 4 legs that are 70 centimeters in height. So what I'll do is I'll put this together and give you my thoughts on it. See you soon. Bye. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you this. Adults is the name of the legs. So the tabletop is Lagkapten, while the legs is called Adils. That's where the adults part comes to play, because I think you can order the legs separately. So if you wanted to use 2 legs, and then you can put like a cabinet drawer underneath to support the other side, or you can or you don't even need the legs. You can use just the cabinet shelves on both sides. So just to clarify, okay, so I'm gonna put the leg onto the table, and what comes in the leg is these instructions. Basically, you have 5 screws. You screw this into the pre-drilled holes here, and then you screw the table leg into that middle hole, which, see there, that screws into here. And that's it. You do that 4 times. Okay, so I've screwed in those plates thanks to my Makita drill. It was done quite fast. And then I screwed in the legs. So I have 3 of them done now. I'm just gonna screw in the last one. So here, there's a screw, and you just pop it on here, and you screw it in. Screw it in tight enough. There we have 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's also these pre-drilled holes if you want to put the cable tray arranger thing that they have. I think it's called the Signum. I have a review of that on my channel. It's quite handy. Alright, I'm gonna flip this over and show you what it looks like. There we have it. The IKEA Lagkapten desk, 120 centimeters by 60 centimeters, 70 centimeters by height. And there you see it with a 13-inch Samsung laptop to kind of see the size comparison. And yeah, it's very nice. Very easy to install. Need to just screw those plates in, screw those holes. What is cool is that there's height adjustable screws under here, which is handy if your floor is not level. And there's also underneath the pre-drilled holes for the Signum cable organizer tray, which is really nice. And it's solid. It's a decent enough table. I need to fix the adjustment on there. Actually, I'll do it here live. So you can unscrew whichever side is kind of tipping. There you have it, less wobble. Any cons? More pros than cons. It will cost 40 euros for the full 4 legs at tabletop. And you can get it in assortment of colors. It goes from, actually you can switch the leg colors as well. Grays, browns, I think they have blues as well. And then, you know, the wooden type color as well. Yeah, I'm very happy with the size of the desk as well. You can get bigger ones, but this one fits quite nice where I want it. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Remember to please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Okay, the only con I could think of is the amount of plastic that they used. They use a lot of plastic. They wrap each of the legs in plastic, each of the plates in plastic, screws in plastic, which is understandable because it's very easy to lose screws. But they wrap the plastic legs in more plastic, and they wrap the table completely in plastic, which is understandable, I guess, because it's lightweight. But that's the only con I could think of.